Hello, kids. This is again Teacher Ricky. Now, for today's lesson, we're going to learn about what sounds does id make. Now, are you familiar with the words ending with ed? Very good. They are words with past form or past tense of the verb. They are called regular verb. Now, what is again a regular verb? Regular verb is the verb that form their past form without changing the spelling, but just adding ed to the end of the word. Alright, now, do you know that there are three ways in which we can say or we can pronounce the ed? Let's start. We can pronounce three ways. Number one, ed can be pronounced as d, d. Now, when can we pronounce words with ed as d? Take note that we can pronounce words with ed as d if the verb ends with a voiced sounds. Now, what are the letters that has a voice sound? Very good. You have L, V, Y, M, R, B, G, W, and Z. Alright, so we can pronounce words as d. Example, we have the following words: played, rained, used, allowed, agreed, allowed, cold, performed, and burned. See, all these words ends with a voice sound or voice letters. So, we're going to pronounce them as d. Can you say it again? D. Very good. Next. Now, the second way in which we can pronounce ed is pronouncing is at t. Pronouncing ed as t, sound of t. Now, when can we pronounce ed as t? Only if the verb ends with a voiceless sound. Now, take note of the following letters: P, K, S, CH or ch, F, X, X, and H. They are voiceless sounds, letters that produce voiceless. Now, we can pronounce ed as t. Let's have another example. Are you ready? Now, these are the words that can be pronounced as t. Ready? You have brushed, asked, danced, picked, passed, pushed, smoked, relaxed, stopped. Now, see, take note of the end of the word. End of each word has a letter that has a voiceless sound. Now, let's go to the third ways and last way that we can pronounce ed. Very good. Now, as you can see in your screen, we can pronounce ed as ed. Can you say it again? Ed. Very good. Now, when can we say that? And when can we pronounce ed as ed? All right. Now, when the verb ends with t or d. Let's check the example. Arrested, defended, started, included, flooded, exported, decided, hunted, expected, rented, hated, wasted. Alright? So, if you will notice, these words all ends with T or D. So we pronounce them as ed. Can you say it again? Very good. Good job. Now remember, regular verbs form their past form by adding ed. And we have three ways in which we can say or pronounce ed. You have d, t, and ed. Good job. All right, remember that, kids, and I hope that you learned something from our lesson today. Now, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just click that bell notification so that you will be updated of all my videos uploads. Until next time, see you again in my class. Goodbye.